Hi, I'm Susi Schaefer. I'm an author and an illustrator of picture books. Do you love art as much as I do? I believe art is for everyone, so I have put up some quick and easy tutorial of things that I love to draw on my YouTube channel. I've also put up some process videos and videos that are related to my books. In addition, you can find tutorials and free coloring and activity sheets on my website. Whether you're ready to draw along or just watch my videos, head to my channel, and for updates, either check in or hit the subscribe button. Keep on drawing!